Hello, in this tutorial I will discuss how you can create a progress bar in Microsoft Excel. So this is the name of the employee and percentage of task completed, and I want to create the progress bar. So for that simply use a repeat function, and here what I will use this, and number of times I will use this one, bracket close and press enter. So just okay, and just drag the formula here. Okay, and now what I will do, just select the text, go to the font, and here type playbill. Okay, and now just you can also increase the size. Fine, and now change the color. So change the color to, let's say, green. So see how easy it is to create a progress bar in Microsoft Excel. And now let's try to change the value. So just let's say change the value to 92, and you can see the progress bar has been changed. And similarly change the value here to 55, and you can see the progress bar has been changed. So it's very easy to create a progress bar in Excel. So you can give any color, you can give any color to this progress bar. So that's all. Thank you.